Oh my God. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Charlie. In the last video, I designed this close hook for the tension rod. And you can see there are two holes for fasteners, but actually I found that only one pair is enough. Today, I really want to improve this design, to make it without the industrial metal fasteners. So, sometimes as a 3D printing hobbyist, I always want to get everything from just one print. So that is today's point. But if we don't use a metal fastener, maybe we can just print the fastener as some threaded design. But actually, it's a bit different from the common use the printed threaded design. Common use threaded design, the direction of the thread is vertical. But this one, the hole is horizontal. So I have to print the thread structure horizontal. So maybe I think I can just make a small test part to test how it goes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's see the test part. You can see this is a M6 screw, a threaded screw, and I printed two versions of the horizontal thread. You can see they printed in this direction, okay? And there are two holes, and you can see this is a simple circular shape. But I think it is not a good one because there is some issue from overhang. And I made another sketch that is spacing on the top of the circular to avoid the issue from the overhang. Okay, so and I tested, this is not a good one because it's very difficult to screw the screw in. It's very tightened. We can screw the screw in the end, but this one is better. You can see there is almost there's no overhang issues for the circular shape, okay? And you can see the screwing is very easy. You can see maybe because of the bottom part is not printed very well, so it also can't screw to the end, but it's better. It's much better than this one. Okay, so maybe I think I just verified the spacing. It really works. Okay. Okay, so let me try to use this design to modify my current close hook design. Well, you can see I just made the threaded in here in this hole. This end is without the thread. Let me see. Okay, it seems not very well. Oh, it's very tightened. I'm afraid of the structure. Oh my God, it's broken. Well, so maybe I think we need to adjust the clearance or maybe some other parameter. Hey guys, just before I opened the Fusion 360 software, I found that I don't need to make a new one because, this length is pretty enough, Even it's just broken the top end, but the left length is enough. There is still something, some segment here, so we can use this threaded part to fasten it well. You can see that. You can see it's okay. It's fastened okay. Maybe I can just design a shorter, a longer than this one, but shorter than the previous version. Okay, maybe just such this length is enough. Okay, that's great. Let's try it again. Okay, and I think the shorter threaded part is better because it makes us to just screw maybe several, maybe two to five rounds to fasten it well. Let's try to the tension rod. Clap it and then just fasten it. Oh, what's wrong with it? Oh my God, I think it's broken again. It's broken again. I need to make it more strong. I think I need to change the infill density to maybe, let me see, 80%. And let me see, I think 80% is enough. Let's try it. Well, you can see this is the 80% infill part and this is the broken one. Well, I'm not sure whether it's okay, but this time it's very smooth. Why? I didn't change any other parameters. Okay, so it seems that, this printed quality is better than this one. Okay, the thread is pretty clear. Okay, let's try it on. Well, I think it will work. That's great. That's great. Okay, it's tightened. It's tightened. I think it works. Okay, got it. Let's try it on the rod. Okay. Let me see it. Wow, that's great. That's great, very firmly. I think it's good as a metal fastener. I think it's enough for this hook. Okay, so I think it's a clear and simple and useful design. That's great. Well, it's good to have this better result. I'm still very excited to get everything directed from the 3D printer because sometimes we often find some very good design but still needs some industrial parts. So this also means that we can't get all the benefit from the 3D printing. So I think maybe sometimes we can just make a smarter design to get everything better. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.